In a world overflowing with information, where social media feeds refresh with the speed of thought, navigating the sea of data can feel overwhelming. Every day, we are bombarded with opinions, news, and facts that challenge our beliefs and shape our understanding of the world. In such an environment, the ability to think critically becomes not just a skill, but a necessity. Critical thinking empowers individuals to sift through the noise, analyze information objectively, and make informed decisions. It transforms the way we approach problems, enabling us to find effective solutions rather than merely reacting to circumstances. To cultivate critical thinking, the first step is to embrace intellectual humility. This means acknowledging that our knowledge is limited and that there is always more to learn. When we open ourselves to diverse perspectives, even those that challenge our deeply held beliefs, we create a space for growth. Imagine a person who has always believed that a certain political ideology is the only correct one. If they engage with opposing viewpoints, not only do they expand their understanding, but they also develop a more nuanced perspective. This intellectual humility fosters an environment where dialogue can flourish, leading to richer discussions and better informed decisions. Next, practicing thought experiments can be a powerful method to enhance critical thinking. By imagining hypothetical scenarios, individuals can explore various outcomes without the constraints of reality. For instance, consider a manager faced with a team conflict. Instead of jumping to conclusions, they could envision different approaches. What if they facilitated a team-building exercise? What if they brought in a mediator? By contemplating these possibilities, the manager can think creatively and devise solutions that might not have been apparent at first glance. This practice encourages unconventional thinking and helps break the mold of traditional problem solving. Active listening is another vital component of critical thinking. It goes beyond merely hearing words. It involves fully engaging with the speaker to understand their ideas and motivations. When we listen actively, we open ourselves to new viewpoints that can challenge our assumptions. For example, during a brainstorming session, one team member might propose a radical idea that initially seems impractical. However, through active listening, others can grasp the underlying rationale and perhaps even build upon that idea, leading to innovative solutions. This not only enhances communication, but also fosters a collaborative environment where everyone feels valued. Developing metacognitive awareness is crucial for monitoring our thought processes. It involves reflecting on how we think, recognizing cognitive biases, and refining our reasoning. For instance, someone might realize that they often rush to judgment based on first impressions. By becoming aware of this tendency, they can pause and reevaluate their thoughts before forming conclusions. This self-awareness allows individuals to identify cognitive traps, like confirmation bias or overgeneralization, and adjust their reasoning accordingly, leading to more rational decision-making. Lastly, the 5 whys technique can be a transformative tool for problem-solving. By repeatedly asking why in response to a problem, individuals can dig deeper into its root causes. For example, if a project is behind schedule, rather than simply noting that the team is unproductive, one could ask why that is the case. Perhaps the team lacks proper resources. Then, asking why they lack resources might reveal issues in communication or planning. This process continues until the fundamental cause is identified, leading to sustainable solutions rather than temporary fixes. In this fast-paced, information-saturated world, honing critical thinking skills is essential. By embracing intellectual humility, practicing thought experiments, engaging in active listening, developing metacognitive awareness, and applying the 5 whys technique, individuals can navigate complexities with clarity and confidence. Critical thinking is not merely an academic exercise. It is a practical tool that empowers us to make informed decisions and solve problems effectively. As we cultivate these skills, we become not just consumers of information, but thoughtful contributors to the conversations that shape our society.